Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix this error on Apex. So the first step, what you need to do here, you need to look for these apps on your computer and look if these apps is running or not, like DS4 Windows, Remap, Auto Hotkey, Faceit, Anti-Cheat Program, Riot Vanguard for Valorant, or I believe League of Legends. Make sure these programs is closed because sometimes it conflicts with Apex Legends and those apps do not launch. If the basically problem persists after you close these apps, another thing that causing this issue is Diamond Tools. It should look like this. You just need to go to installed apps. Just go to installed apps and just look for daemon and uninstall everything related to this tool because it's the problem. Also then go to device manager, and on device manager scroll down until you see a universal serial bus controllers here, and then you need to expand this option, and then you need to look if there is a USB controller for Diamond Tools. It should call like Diamond Tools Lite Virtual CSSC bus or something like that, and you just need to right click on them and uninstall it, and then Apex should work. That's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more.